If you are excited to see me, smash that red button and also click the notification bell so you will know when I upload the video. And if you have baby oil at home, give this video thumbs up. Today I'm going to guide you through 3 things that you can do with baby oil. Aside from applying it on your baby bump, on your baby skin, you also want to have a baby skin as well. So let me take you into the first thing that you can do with baby oil. Amazing! We're going to be making a beautiful, wonderful serum. Anti-aging and skin brightener serum with baby oil. So let's dive down into making this baby oil. So baby oil is packed with a whole lot of vitamin A, retinol, to help to diminish wrinkles, but most powerfully this serum is to brighten up your complexion and take away any sunburn you have on your skin. So I will be using 2 teaspoons of baby oil. I already have one here. 2nd teaspoon. And the next thing we need is aloe vera gel. 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. And the next thing we need is orange peel powder. Orange peel. We will be using 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder. And then you're going to mix this up together to give you amazing serum. This serum is packed with vitamin A and vitamin C. So you have your serum here ready. So all you need to do is take a little bit and apply on the area that you think, and apply on your face, your arm, anywhere you feel that you have sunburn. Just take this little serum and apply 2 times a day. So that's number 1 way to use baby oil. So to store this, I have a glass jar here, and I will transfer this into the glass jar. This should be used for between 5 days and 1 week. Remember to store this in the fridge if you have your makeup fridge. And please do not store this in your bathroom, because bathroom is very warm and it will grow some microorganisms. The next one is a pomade. I have this pomade for a while. It's all dried up now. This is my makeup pomade for eyeliner, but it's all dried up. You can see nothing is really coming out because it's all dried up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put few drops of baby oil into this pomade. When you put the baby oil, this is going to come back to life again. I'm going to take this brush and I can have my eyeliner on my eyes. So did you see that? Also, you can put a few drops of this into your mascara. If your mascara is beginning to dry up, use a little bit of baby oil instead of Vaseline to bring back the moisture in your mascara and in your eyeliner. So you can see the difference between these 2 eyes. So I use this to bring back the liner. So the next thing you can really do with your baby oil is to instantly remove your eye makeup, leaving the skin around your eye very soft, and you don't need to rub this so hard. What you do is you get a cotton ball, or you get the cleansing cloth for makeup. You put just few drops And you are going to use this to remove your eye makeup, leaving the skin around your eye very soft like a baby skin. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. If you don't have baby oil at home, go ahead and pick up your own baby oil.